Good morning, Ms. Rochman.
Good morning.
Thank you for letting us follow you today for our very first 15 questions with the OWNCS network.
Thank you for being here. We're happy to have you.
We are so excited.
Hey, Mr. Santiago. Good. Have a wonderful day. See you later.
Mrs. Rochman, we're going to follow you around. And my first question to you is a this or that. Is it coffee or tea?
Oh, that's easy. Always coffee. And don't forget the cream and sugar.
Yes. Light and sweet?
Yes.
I love it. We're walking into kindergarten now with our friends.
Hello, kindergarten. So I heard you have a question for me. What's my favorite color? That is such a good question. And it's so hard to pick because there are so many great colors. So I'm gonna share two, okay? So one is sage green, which is a nice light green color. And the other is deep blue, like the ocean or the sea. Those are my two favorites. All right, bye friends.
It is sweater weather.
Yes.
For you, is it sunny day or snow day? What do you prefer?
The sun.
Why
I'm a
is
summer
that?
birthday, June 21st, so it stays light out until 9 p.m. So summer has always been in my heart.
And it's always the first day of summer.
Yes.
June 21st, solstice, baby.
That's it.
Let's see, pizza or salad?
Pizza. And you have to add the garlic powder, the red pepper, and the oregano. I like all the flavor and some spice.
You like it exactly the way you like it.
Yes.
So if you could describe OWN Elementary in just one word, what would it be?
In one word, I would say community. We are such a amazing community here of so many different people from all around the globe. We are extremely diverse here, and it's something that I'm really proud of. But we all come together here, and we are one community, bringing
Yes.
a lot of different experiences and cultures and backgrounds.
And as an International Baccalaureate school, that's one of our visions. So that goes well perfectly.
Absolutely. We're definitely a globally minded place. Hi, Ms. Pabello. How are you today? Very good. Nice to see you.
So what are some special activities or programs you think families should be most excited about this year?
So my favorite week is Culture Week. We were just talking about all of the amazing cultures and backgrounds that we have here at our school from all around the world. And Culture Week really highlights that. So we do have one day during Culture Week where students bring flags or they dress up in traditional clothing. And we do a parade around the block. We invite families, and it's a really special time to just celebrate the diverse school that we are. Yeah.
Mrs. Rochman, what's your favorite spot in the school building?
Oh, that's so many good questions. So it's hard to pick just one. I would say it would have to be the classrooms, and not just one classroom because they're all so different. And each one has their own flair based on the teacher's personality, the teacher's style, the classroom culture. So it's really hard to say, but I love being in classrooms and seeing, what the student work on the boards are and what the teachers have created.
Absolutely. That visibility part is so important.
Yeah.
So I have another question for you. What's one thing you cannot start your day without?
I must have my work email on my phone. So I need that phone and I need my email because it's so important to start the day off right. I get message from staff members, from families, and it helps me prioritize my day before I even step into the building.
Beautiful. That makes me think about, is there a book that you're reading right now that you would recommend to others?
Yes, I love to read. I'm currently reading a book called Gratitude Diaries. And it is about how your life can change when you practice gratitude for 1 year. So it's a great book, and I love reading about all different topics and different genres.
Are you listening to any good podcasts recently?
Actually, not at the moment. More books.
Like holding a book, turning the pages.
Yeah.
So you interact with so many students, teachers, and families every day. How do you balance it all and still find time to stay inspired as a leader?
I would say it's hard to not be inspired here at this school because we all have one common goal, and it is to do what is best for our students. And I'm really lucky to have an amazing team, amazing families and students. So I would say we have the same vision and same mission of supporting our students in whatever way possible. So that really leaves no time to be uninspired. There's always things to do and always ways that we can grow and blossom.
Incredible. That kind of reminds me of emojis.
Yes.
If you can describe our school with one emoji, which one would it be?
I would say it would be the globe emoji. Because again, we're an International Baccalaureate school, and we are very international minded. We really focus on global issues. We have our 5th grade exhibition where we think about how we can help our communities and make the world a better place. So I think we always come back to the world and how we can make it better.
Beautiful. What's one thing that never fails to make you smile at OWN?
So I would have to say the kindergartners, and when they wave. So if one waves, the whole class will wave, and usually they have a bubble in their mouth because they're walking silently in the hall. So they have the bubble and the wave, and that always makes me smile.
That really is unforgettable.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. If you could send one short message to all OWN families right now, what would it be?
I would say, thank you for trusting us with your children every day. It is our privilege to watch them learn, grow, and shine at our school.
Thank you, Mrs. Rochman, for sharing your time and stories with us. It's been wonderful.
Thank you. It was my pleasure.